Look at the size of it. We are approaching the primary structure now.
It's confirmed then. I can't believe it.
Pay close attention to the coordinates on the display. The data confirms the precise location of the wreck, exactly aligned with the sonar readings.
The sand is clear! My God, look at the size of it!
Copy. Scanning the length of the barrel now. This confirms Operation Leviathan.
We have to secure the crane now or we lose it.
It's too dangerous! The waves are getting higher!
We can't wait! The storm is closing in!
Cable is seated on the starboard side.
Copy that. Applying tension now. Looking good.
Slipping again! We're losing the load!
I'm increasing the brake pressure. Hold it steady. I don't believe it.
It's actually real. Look at the size of it. We did it!
Oh my God, we actually did it!
Confirmed, tie down secure. We are moving out. Look how big that is!
I've never seen anything like it.
Where do you think it's going?
The pH levels are dropping faster than anticipated.
Increasing the flow rate to compensate.
We need to stabilize the reaction.
Using advanced X-ray technology, we can finally see the internal structure of the weapon, revealing critical flaws deep within the barrel.
Deliberation. Look at this density reading here, right next to the conduit.
That explains extensive corrosion, almost 40%.
down another 5 centimeters.
Copy that, moving slowly.
Clear on the west side. Steady, just a fraction lower.
Reading confirmed. Final contact sequence initiated.
Alignment looks good. We are stable.
Look at the size of that thing.
The countdown is almost finished, and I can't wait to see it move.
Years. This machine represents a pivotal moment in industrial warfare. Its scale and technology were unmatched.
From ocean bed to preserved history.